Kawhi Leonard.
Yes.
Just bought that $13 million house down in San Diego.
Yeah.
And now a developer up here is going, hey, if you stay, I'll give you the penthouse.
Yeah.
Like keys to the penthouse.
Like he has options.
Yeah.
Not just any penthouse. It's like you can choose from many multi-million-dollar penthouses,
Wow.
Kawhi.
Yeah. So who is this and where is this in Toronto?
Simon Mass from the Condo Store Realty. It's the Four Seasons, St. Regis, or Carlton Residences are his choices.
It's awfully
Not
nice.
too shabby, huh?
Not too
And this
shabby.
is just not for a night stay, right?
No, this is his.
like
If he
like-
stays.
Like
If
he gets to
stays.
have it.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
funny thing is, he's going to sign. If he signs a contract here in Toronto, it's going to be a supermax deal, which will be probably around like $190 million.
Right.
And then you have a free place to stay.
Yeah.
I mean, doing something right. Keep playing like this.
Yeah.
They're just throwing everything at you.
But is it furnished, though? Does it come furnished?
Oh, that would be the
that's the deal
stickler
breaker,
for
right?
me.
Yeah,
that
totally.
would be forget it if it doesn't come furnished. I don't
Not
know.
for-
No,
Yeah.
And
how
the
many
gold-
parking
and the gold
spots does it
toilet.
come
Yeah.
with? Like how many parking spots?
Yeah, parking spot, gold
Yes.
toilet. I want a gold toilet and gold sink.
Yes, gold.
Clear. Oh,
You know
yeah.
what? Gold. The toilets now actually
platinum?
have.
Do you go platinum?
There's like all these digital toilets now that'll do
Yeah.
a whole lot of things for you.
Yeah,
Yes.
heated seats,
Everything.
everything.
And Kawhi will wash your car.
Well, I
That's
mean,
all we can afford.
Our friends at Tim and Sid have a hashtag running right now, Kawhi, you should stay. And if you look on Twitter, it is a crazy, crazy popular hashtag.
Yeah.
And we see it now. People offering him up condos, multi-million-dollar condos to stay. I mean, we have fallen in love with Kawhi. Remember when we laughed at his laugh?
It's
Doesn't that
awesome.
Still
I
laughing.
love his laugh. His laugh is awesome.
Still should laugh at his laugh.
You know
It's
what might
great.
convince him to stay? A championship.
Well, I mean,
That might
yeah.
do it. That might do it.
Start with the
Jurassic
win
Park,
tonight.
do your
Yeah.
stuff
He may
tonight.
get
Jurassic
more.
Park.
He may get more if he gets this a big win, a championship.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
big one. All right, 7 o'clock. You're watching Breakfast Television.